Hi there, and welcome to the PowerPoint Codex. My name is Matthew Hardman, and I work in the corporate IT world. Now, if you're here today, you're probably looking for tips on how to utilize PowerPoint and other productivity tools to help you get a message across. In my role, I find myself doing lots of presentations and demonstrations to customers, partners, and internal audiences to help me get my message across. And quite often, when I watch other people, I see ways that people could be improving the tools they use. No doubt, the story, the data, the things you are trying to say are absolutely important. The way you present is absolutely important. But you don't want to let one part of your presentation, the medium that you use to visualize your story, be the thing that holds you back. Things such as simple formatting, tools, colors, a whole range of different things can help you take your presentation from a B game to an A game. So I'm hoping over the next videos or so, I'm going to help to show you how you can utilize those tools to be productive in your way and really ensure that your message doesn't just come across, but comes across in a compelling way and helps you achieve your outcomes. Thanks for coming by the channel, and let's learn together.